I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to copper bolus a goat. Prepare by confirming dose, restraining the goat safely, and having a cup or bolus gun ready for insertion. Gently open the mouth, guide the bolus to the back of the throat, and encourage swallowing while avoiding gagging. Monitor the goat afterward and record dose details for each animal to prevent accidental overdose and track improvements. Gather all materials before starting and double-check bolus type and dose for the goat's weight. Use a clean bolus gun or a gloved hand with a secure halter to prevent injury during administration. Keep emergency supplies like activated charcoal and contact info for your veterinarian nearby in case of adverse reactions. Working calmly and efficiently reduces stress for both handler and goat, improving the start by weighing or estimating the goat to determine the proper bolus amount and avoid toxicity. Restrain the goat with a halter and quietly hold the head, tilting slightly upward while opening the mouth gently to avoid bite reflex. Insert the bolus to the back of the tongue, remove your hand, and support the head until the goat swallows. Observe for normal breathing and appetite afterward, and log the treatment in herd records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.